Magandang gabi, araw, kung saan man kayo. Andito ako ngayon sa Pearson International Airport dito sa Toronto. Sa nakikita ninyo, nagsara na dahil ah, airplane maintenance. Kaya medyo stranded kami ngayon dito. And so I am just waiting for the next plane to come. So I thought I should say hi to you. We have a great visit sa Toronto, and I'm looking forward to go to Nashville and Virginia. Anyway, maraming nagtatanong at nagsasabi kung paano maging master, maging guru ng martial art, ng yoga, ng meditation, lalo ng martial art. Dahil sa nakikita naman ninyo, sikat na sikat pati yung MMA, at saka mga martial arts studio. And for me, nakikita nyo, I'm all over the place, trying to share and teach Filipino martial arts worldwide. All I can say is, it's not that easy. Hindi madali. Hindi madaling magturo, mag-travel, mag-teach. It has to really come from the heart. Hindi basta-basta na darating na kayo magkakaroon ng recognition dahil marami pang medyo, sasalungat at will even go oppose in what you do. Pero ang importante, palawakin ang pag-iisip, palakasin ang ating puso, magmahal tayo. Dahil once it comes from the heart, nothing can stop you. So that's all I can say to all those coaches, gurus, aspiring grandmaster. Just be true to yourself and be strong. The force is within us. Pugay at mabuhay.